In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up to Agile CRM. If you are ready to start using Agile CRM, the sign-up process is quick and straightforward. In a moment, you will go through the registration page, enter a few details, and confirm that you agree to the service terms. To follow along, you just need access to a computer or mobile device and a web browser. First, go to Agile CRM registration. This means you will open your browser and navigate to the official registration page for Agile CRM. On screen, you should see a sign-up or registration section where the form begins. Take a second to confirm that you are on the correct registration page before entering anything, so your information goes to the right place. Next, click Get Started. This button usually appears near the sign-up area and starts the registration flow. When you click it, the page may refresh or scroll to the full form. If you do not see the form immediately, look for it on the same page after the transition, because the next steps require you to fill out specific fields. Now you will enter your domain. This is typically where you provide the website or domain you want to connect with your Agile CRM account. Carefully type the domain exactly as you intend it to be used. If your organization uses a specific domain, use that one. Also, double-check for extra spaces or incorrect characters, since domains are usually expected to follow a specific format. After that, enter your full name. This field is meant for the name of the person creating the account. Use your legal or preferred full name so the account information looks correct. If your name includes spaces, use them where appropriate. If you have more than one part to your name, enter it exactly as you want it displayed within the service. Then, enter your email address. This is the email that Agile CRM will use for account confirmation and ongoing communication related to your account. Make sure you use an email address that you can access right away. If you have multiple accounts, be careful to choose the one you intend to use for Agile CRM, because you may need to verify it later. Next, create a password. Choose a strong password that you can remember and that follows good security practices. Since the password is sensitive, you should type it carefully and confirm you have entered it correctly. If there is any password visibility option on the screen, you can use it briefly to confirm spelling, but only if you are in a safe environment where others cannot see your screen. After you create your password, check the Terms of Service box. This step confirms that you agree to the terms and conditions for using Agile CRM. Read the terms if you want to be fully informed, then place a checkmark in the box to indicate your acceptance. This part is important because it is part of the sign-up requirements. Finally, click Get Started. This is the submit action that sends your registration details to Agile CRM. Once you click it, the system may take a moment to process your request. If the site shows a confirmation message or prompts you for verification, follow what appears on screen. If there is a next step like email confirmation, that is still part of completing your sign-up. When the sign-up is complete, you should be ready to move into your Agile CRM workspace. That may include logging in and setting up your preferences after registration. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.